What is your favorite recipe?
My favorite recipe is chicken biryani.
How do you usually cook rice?
I cook rice by boiling it in water.
What ingredients do you use in curry?
I use onions, tomatoes, and spices in curry.
How do you make tea?
I make tea with water, tea leaves, and sugar.
How do you prepare vegetables?
I wash and chop vegetables before cooking.
What spices do you usually use?
I usually use salt, pepper, and cumin.
How do you make bread at home?
I mix flour, water, and yeast to make bread.
How do you make pasta?
I boil pasta and add sauce and cheese.
What is the easiest recipe for you?
The easiest recipe for me is omelet.
What is the most difficult recipe for you?
The most difficult recipe is lasagna.
How do you make soup?
I boil vegetables and blend them to make soup.
How do you make salad?
I chop vegetables and add dressing to make salad.
How do you make pancakes?
I mix flour, milk, and eggs to make pancakes.
What do you usually cook for breakfast?
I usually cook eggs and toast for breakfast.
What do you usually cook for lunch?
I usually cook rice and curry for lunch.
What do you usually cook for dinner?
I usually cook light food for dinner.
How do you make a sandwich?
I put vegetables and cheese between bread slices.
How do you make juice?
I blend fruits to make juice.
How do you make a smoothie?
I blend fruits with milk to make a smoothie.
What is your favorite dessert recipe?
My favorite dessert recipe is chocolate cake.
How do you make chocolate cake?
I mix flour, sugar, cocoa, and bake it.
How do you make cookies?
I mix flour, sugar, and butter to make cookies.
How do you make ice cream at home?
I mix milk, sugar, and cream to make ice cream.
How do you make pizza at home?
I make dough, add toppings, and bake pizza.
What ingredients do you use in pizza?
I use cheese, vegetables, and tomato sauce.
How do you make a smoothie bowl?
I blend fruits and top them with nuts.
How do you make pancakes fluffy?
I add baking powder to make pancakes fluffy.
How do you cook chicken at home?
I cook chicken by frying or boiling it.
How do you cook fish?
I cook fish by grilling or steaming it.
How do you cook eggs?
I boil, fry, or scramble eggs.
How do you make soup spicy?
I add chili powder or pepper to soup.
How do you make salad tasty?
I add dressing and herbs to make salad tasty.
How do you make rice soft?
I soak rice before cooking to make it soft.
How do you make curry thick?
I add yogurt or cream to make curry thick.
How do you make chapati soft?
I knead the dough well to make chapati soft.
How do you make dal delicious?
I add garlic, onions, and spices to make dal delicious.
How do you make tea strong?
I add more tea leaves and boil longer.
How do you make coffee at home?
I boil water, add coffee powder, and stir.
How do you make lemonade?
I mix lemon juice, water, and sugar to make lemonade.
How do you make omelet fluffy?
I beat eggs well and add milk for a fluffy omelet.
How do you make chapati golden?
I cook chapati on medium heat to make it golden.
How do you make rice fragrant?
I add a little cardamom or saffron to make rice fragrant.
How do you make dessert creamy?
I use cream and milk to make dessert creamy.
How do you make a dish spicy?
I add chili, pepper, or spices to make a dish spicy.
How do you make a dish sweet?
I add sugar, honey, or fruits to make a dish sweet.
How do you make a dish sour?
I add lemon juice or vinegar to make a dish sour.
How do you make soup smooth?
I blend soup and strain it to make it smooth.
How do you make a salad colorful?
I use different vegetables to make salad colorful.
How do you make pasta creamy?
I add cream or cheese to make pasta creamy.
How do you make rice tasty?
I add spices and broth to make rice tasty.
How do you make biryani flavorful?
I add spices, herbs, and marinated meat.
How do you make a sandwich healthy?
I use vegetables and whole grain bread.
How do you make soup healthy?
I use fresh vegetables and low salt.
How do you make dessert less sweet?
I reduce sugar or use honey.
How do you make tea tasty?
I add sugar, milk, or spices.
How do you make coffee frothy?
I whisk it or use a frother.
How do you make dough soft?
I knead it well and let it rest.
How do you make fried food crispy?
I fry it at the right temperature.
How do you make curry rich?
I add cream or coconut milk.
How do you make soup thick?
I add potatoes or cream to thicken soup.
How do you make bread soft?
I use warm water and knead dough well.
How do you make chocolate melt perfectly?
I heat chocolate slowly and stir constantly.
How do you make salad fresh?
I use fresh vegetables and prepare it just before eating.
How do you make pancakes sweet?
I add sugar or honey to the batter.
How do you make pasta spicy?
I add chili flakes or hot sauce.
How do you make rice white?
I rinse rice before cooking.
How do you make fried chicken juicy?
I marinate chicken before frying.
How do you make pizza soft?
I let dough rise before baking.
How do you make ice cream soft?
I churn it while freezing.
How do you make soup cold?
I refrigerate it after cooking.
How do you make tea fragrant?
I add cardamom or cinnamon.
How do you make bread sweet?
I add sugar or honey to the dough.
How do you make curry aromatic?
I use garam masala and fresh herbs.
How do you make dal thick?
I cook it slowly and mash some lentils.
How do you make rice fluffy?
I cook it with less water and let it rest.
How do you make desserts beautiful?
I decorate with fruits, chocolate, or nuts.
How do you make soup light?
I use fewer oils and fresh ingredients.
How do you make omelet tasty?
I add vegetables, herbs, and spices.
How do you make sandwich filling soft?
I use cheese, avocado, or mayonnaise.
How do you make curry spicy but not too hot?
I balance chili with yogurt or cream.
How do you make pancakes soft?
I add milk and baking powder.
How do you make fried rice colorful?
I add vegetables and herbs.
How do you make pasta soft?
I boil it until tender.
How do you make dessert chocolatey?
I add cocoa powder or chocolate chips.
How do you make smoothie thick?
I add banana or yogurt.
How do you make salad crunchy?
I add cucumbers, carrots, and nuts.
How do you make tea sweet but not too sweet?
I add a little sugar or honey.
How do you make bread crusty?
I bake at high temperature.
How do you make curry rich in flavor?
I use spices in slow cooking.
How do you make pasta tasty?
I add sauce, herbs, and cheese.
How do you make soup light but tasty?
I use fresh herbs and a small amount of salt.
How do you make juice refreshing?
I add lemon and ice cubes.
How do you make fried snacks less oily?
I use paper towels to drain oil.
How do you make dessert creamy?
I add milk, cream, or condensed milk.
How do you make salad tangy?
I add lemon juice or vinegar.
How do you make tea strong?
I boil tea longer or add more leaves.
How do you make coffee sweet and creamy?
I add sugar and milk.
How do you make pizza crispy?
I bake it at high temperature.
How do you make soup healthy and tasty?
I use fresh vegetables and mild spices.
What do you like most about cooking recipes?
I like experimenting with flavors and ingredients.